Hello, my lunatic friend. It's the crypto lunatic from the Luna Cafe. And today we're looking at what are the cryptos that are going to move quickly. So today, what I have done, I have been on Grok, and it dawned on me that all of the top traders are going on to X, or certainly X has a lot of traders making a lot of calls, a lot of people in crypto making a lot of calls. So I've asked X today, who are the top traders by results, by what they publish and their results? The most consistent traders, who are the top ones? And I've gone through to find the top 50 traders and to aggregate their calls of what they think will happen next in the market. Now, we've had a little bit of a retrace and it looks like we're in for a little bit of a bounce. So this is to aggregate what the top traders on X think will happen next. And there you go, my lunatic friend. We are going to go on a little journey. This definitely isn't financial advice. It's just a bit of fun of me playing with prompts on X to see if we can use it to aggregate all of this useful data to give us an insight into what the top traders think the next moves will be. And with that in mind, my friends, join me on a little journey. So here's the summary of it all. So you can read through that if you want. There's all sorts of technical things. I've created a prompt to really analyze the whole top 50 traders and what they're doing. And you can see some of the top traders that they've included in there. So here's the methodology. So the initial 20 traders were provided, and an additional 30 traders were identified via Grok's deep search analyzing X activity, high follower count and frequency, blah, blah, blah. You're not interested in that. My prompt, all you want is the result. So let's look at this. High conviction calls. So Bitcoin, the current price, and we can verify this here. Let's go to the current data, 114,343. So that's pretty, it's even down on there. There you go. So 8 out of the top 50 traders think that we're going to get a move to 120 to 122 within 48 hours. So the thing I like about this prompt, you can check it. If in 48 hours it's not there, we'll know that 8 out of 50 top traders called it wrong. So here you go. This is very practical application of what we can do with AI prompts, tapping into what is crypto Twitter, which is effectively what it is, or crypto X. X tends to be the platform where all of the crypto bros they meet out here and they make their calls. So here we go. So stop loss 107. It's also very practical information if you're going to trade properly, because having stop losses in place is important. So Ethereum, current price 3.8. Let's verify that. It's actually lower. It's 3.5. And this is why we need to check, because it's not always 100% up to date. But it's giving a price target here, 3.9 to 400 in Ethereum. And you can read through that should you wish. Dogecoin, current price, there's 4 out of the traders. I think the range of, well, that's really not much of a range because that's just giving you a range above and below the current price. Let's actually look what Doge is doing. So if you're into trading, that's on 0.2. So this is not accurate information. And we need to bear this in mind as well when we're playing with AI prompts, that these are just, they're only as good as the prompts you give them with the current information. So it's saying Solana, current price 150. Let's double check. That feels low to me. Feels low. Yeah, it's 162. So, but nonetheless, a price target of 180 with a breakout. And there's also listing of ETFs that could actually pile into this. Now, Binance coin, the current price is 757. Now, the price target there, they're targeting that lower and it could go bearish. So let's have a little look with BNB 757. So look, this information is accurate. And coin market cap is saying buy And the traders on X are saying sell. So, well, let time be the judge of that. So Cardano, there's just one of the traders there, price targeting a dollar within a week. So that's just one of the top traders. Let's go and have a little look. Cardano's sitting at 73. So that would be a nice little rise if that was the case. But notice that that's much higher than the actual price. So this is where we have to aggregate all of this data because it's not always overly accurate. But one thing seems to be certain is that the top traders are targeting Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin for upward moves within the next 48 hours. Now, will these actually come to transpire? Well, we don't actually know. But these are high conviction calls. And if Bitcoin hits 120 to 122 within the next 48 hours, well, you'll know that this prompt may be worth looking at again. And if it doesn't, well, these 8 top traders were wrong. And of course, let's face it, no trader can be right all of the time. But if we're getting top traders and they're all saying that Bitcoin's likely to go up, well, it possibly will. And when Bitcoin goes up, that's generally quite bullish for all of the other cryptos in the market. So there you go, my lunatic friends. There's just a very brief snippet because we've had a bit of a drawback. And this traditionally is to flush out the weak hands. So the weak hands will be flushed. The proper degens will have bought in at the dip. Now, are we going to see another spike? Well, it looks, according to the top traders, like this might happen within the next 48 hours. But I am just a lunatic reporting from the Luna Cafe. It's definitely not financial advice. It's just a bit of fun. But if you want more of my little fun insights into the market and to what cryptos might make it to the Luna Cafe with me, then do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already. And if you'd like another one of my little updates, you will see it there. But most important of all, have fun, stay liquid, stay lunatic, and make money with crypto.